This is how to add hashtags on your TikTok, so let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply open up your TikTok and log into your account, of course, and now click on the plus icon at the bottom middle. Alright, it will open up your camera. You have to just take a picture or click any of your video that you want to post with your hashtags. Like I am clicking here this picture of my laptop keyboard. So right after that you can add any of the text, stickers, effects or the filters on your video. Like I am selecting here this one and now click on the save. Right after that simply click on the next and then you will be here at this interface. Here you can see the description box. You have to simply click on it. And in this section you can see the three options. First one is the hashtag, second one is add the mention, and third one is the videos. Simply click on the hashtag and then put here your hashtag. Like I am selecting here for you. Then put the space here. Again click on the hashtag. Again put your next hashtag. Then again put your space and then again click on the hashtag. Simply you can repeat this process and put as many hashtags as you want to put in your video description. Once you are happy with your hashtags, you can post your video on your TikTok with most of the hashtags. And that's all for this video. I hope this video was a big help for you. Thanks for watching.